Hey there, I'm Brielle. Welcome to Rick's Review Hub. Today, I'm super excited to dive into the Ninja Detect Power Blender Pro, a kitchen beast that's turning heads for all the right reasons. If you're looking to whip up smoothies, sauces, or even soups with ease, stick around to see if this blender is your next must-have. Let's jump in. First, let's break down the features. The Ninja Detect Power Blender Pro comes with a 1800 peak watt motor, powerful enough to crush ice, blend frozen fruit, or tackle tough ingredients like nuts. It has a 72-ounce pitcher, perfect for family-sized batches, plus a 24-ounce single-serve cup for smoothies on the go. The BlendSense technology is a standout. It automatically adjusts speed and time for perfect results, whether you're blending, chopping, or pureeing. You get 6 preset programs for smoothies, bowls, spreads, and more, along with manual controls for full flexibility. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. Now the pros. This blender is a powerhouse. Blending is fast, smooth, and consistent thanks to the smart BlendSense tech. The large pitcher is great for big batches, while the single-serve cup is perfect for quick personal drinks. It's versatile, handling everything from silky smoothies to creamy dips. Users on Amazon praise its durability and ease of use, and the dishwasher-safe parts save time. The sleek design looks great on any counter too. On the con side, it's not perfect. The 1800-watt motor can be loud, especially on high settings, which might bother some users. The pitcher is large, so it may take up more storage space than smaller blenders. Also, it's a bit pricier than basic models, so if you only blend occasionally, you might not need all this power. Do I recommend it? Absolutely, if you're a frequent blender user who wants versatility and top-notch performance. It's ideal for families, smoothie lovers, or anyone who loves experimenting in the kitchen. If you're just making occasional shakes, a simpler model might do, but for most home cooks, this Ninja delivers. Ready to check it out? Click the link in the description to grab the Ninja Detect Power Blender Pro on Amazon for the best pricing and any special promotions. Thanks for watching Rick's Review Hub. If this review helped you decide, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Let's keep making smart choices together. See you next time.